Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, man. I'm headed to this looks like a Durango. No start. It was towed in, guys. Now on the Durango particular model, I can't remember offhand, there is an issue going on with the alternators on some of the Grand Cherokees, the Durango, and a lot of the LX body cars. Okay, now this recall been out so long, guys. I do not understand why people don't go in and get something done that's free. Okay, free. They willing to wait till it's potentially catastrophic at this point. This car was towed in. I came out here earlier to bring it into the shop. I think I fried my jump box, guys. I done a couple of videos on this matter. Okay, so it's almost ridiculous to me at this point that this is still happening, guys. Now, what I'm talking about is I went to jump this car off, and I think my jump box is toast. Guys, look at this. Okay. Yes, they said they saw, y'all can see the belt is ruined. I guess that's belt material, but the alternator is potentially locked. Now, I can't even get this car in the shop. We're going to have to tow it in, but I'm going to try one last trickery. The alternator is likely feeding back through the electrical system. I could be saying that wrong, but if you get a loud spark, I did a video on this. I'm gonna try to pull some of the footage up. If you set your jump box up, ground port, and you go to connect to the positive port, something is wrong, guys. Okay, I'm almost certain that battery took a dump, and I'm almost certain the alternator possibly destroyed the battery. And in extreme cases, it will destroy the drivers in the PCM that's used to charge the alternator or charge the electrical system, guys. This is recall T36, guys. There is no reason why this recall is not done yet. It's been out a long time. So yes, it could potentially need a controller, but we don't know until you get it in. So what I want to do, I had to do this on another car. I had to do this on every car. I'm not burning up another jump box. As you know, the battery is on the seat. Now this is, can y'all see that? This is the positive lead that go to the alternator. What I need to do is take a wrench, that's 13 millimeter, unscrew this bolt, all right, and just jump it off and try to drive it in that way. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do, we got to get this bolt off this alternator, so I'm gonna use my 13 millimeter. I can't let this back feed into my jump box and ruin my jump box again. This happened to me a while back, guys, and I traced it back to this ridiculous alternator that Dodge FCA is having a problem with. So what I'm gonna do is I have no choice but to jump it off to get it inside. I got the battery under the seat disconnected, so you shouldn't be getting any sparks from here, but I want that off of there. And I'm gonna try to cover it with the cover that was removed. All right, try to lay that somewhere where it won't arc nowhere. So now, wow, look at that alternator, guys. They said it was sparking. They said fire was bursting out and everything. So they got it towed in. Wise choice. So now my jump should work, okay, if my battery is not totally damaged. But we're going to find out. All right, guys, so let's see what happened, guys. If I'm able to jump it off, I'm going to have to go extremely quick to get inside, because as you know, there's no alternator charging and my jump box is not fully charged. All right, so that's if this works. I don't know. Sometimes we have to put the alternator on outside or get the car towed into the shop. But we're gonna see what happens. Just in case it stays running, I'm already prep this so I can just hop in it and take off. Here we go. Whoa, I got 12 volts. Good. Let's see what happened, guys. Damn. 3495. Is that the right? These are the right keys. Uh-oh. Nothing. What is going on? Oh, they may have easily burned out the computer, guys. Oh, no. They could have easily taken out the computer. I'm getting no crank. Okay, now I'm gonna have to part this thing. I'm gonna have to do a scan 2 diagnostic, guys. If my PCM is off the bus, they done destroyed the PCM. So hang tight. Tell me something. Wow, 62 fault codes. All because they waited a long time to get their recall done. Wow. All right, according to this, what is this? I haven't seen one of these orange boxes in so long. You know what's funny? The PCM is the only one blue. Let me see some. All DTCs. Implausible, missing. Something is definitely TCM. Lost communication with ECM, PCM. My TIPM is likely dead. And my PCM. The PCM is on the bus. In fact, let's go look inside the PCM. No DTC. Then why am I not even cranking? Now all of that comes from the TIPM, guys. See, when this happened, in essence, Chrysler will have to, if the reason for the damage is because of the failed alternator, in some cases, FCA would help out. Not they would help out, they would actually take care of the problem. But I don't know, man. I don't really agree with that. Missing ECU configuration. Nothing is configured, guys. Battery voltage low. They have fried something. They say it was sparking and everything under the hood. This alternator recall has been out forever. And some people still haven't gotten it done yet. Well, it's official, guys. There's nothing I can do outside. We will have to get this car pushed in, towed in, whatever you want to call it. Wow. All right, guys. Stay tuned. There's nothing I can do out here. Got to get it inside. Let me see if I can go find some help. Stay tuned. Where's the pushing?